Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how can we remove background from our picture. And after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly remove the background from your picture in Canva. Let me show you how. For example, here I'm creating a thumbnail and would like to use some picture. So I have the picture saved in my computer. I will go to upload option and then upload file. And I would like to use this picture, which is the Excel symbol. Open, and it will upload my file in uploads of the Canva. If I click this one, it will appear on my thumbnail. I'm not happy with the picture because I would not like to have this white background behind this Excel symbol. So I will go to background remover option. Just to flag, this option is only available for paid Canva members because I have paid subscription, so that's why I can use this option. If I click background remover, so it will start removing the background. Now it has removed the background from the picture. I'm not quite happy with this background removal because I would like to keep some of the background. I don't want to remove all the background, so I will go to background remover option again, and it will show me that symbol in a bigger size. You can see the restore option. If I click this one, and I can restore some of my background. So I can use this brush to restore some of my background. Cancel. You can see it has restored some of my background. So background behind this letter X, it has been restored. Other option within the background remover is erase, this one. So if I want to erase something from my picture, for example, I want to just remove this corner and press cancel. You can see now it has removed that corner from my picture. So this is how you can quickly upload picture and remove the background in Canva. Hit the like button if you like this video.